If right now people are not taking you seriously, if people are bullying you or maybe putting you down, it's all down to this hard truth that I'm going to reveal to you today. You see, for a long time in this world of personal development, I was researching ways that as an introvert and as somebody who used to be very shy, how can I gain respect from others? And the more I just adopted these strategies, the more I found it just didn't really work. It was masking over the actual symptoms, the root cause issue. And right now, if you're struggling to be able to gain respect from others and for others to take you seriously, it's because you're not tackling it from the root. So if you're ready for the hard truth, here it is. The reason why people don't take you seriously is because you don't take yourself seriously. Because I want you to realize you're constantly teaching others how to treat you. Because let me ask you, do you treat other people differently to each other? Such as maybe that's your boss. Do you treat your boss differently? Do you treat your colleagues differently? Do you treat your family members differently? Think about that. Why is that? It's because they've taught you how to treat them. The question is how are you currently creating this reality, this response? Because other people are being taught by you in regards to how you should be treated. And that, at the root level, is all based upon how you're treating yourself. It's subconscious communication. The way you're holding yourself, the way you think about yourself, the way you view yourself, people will begin to pick it up subconsciously and they begin to give you exactly what you deserve right now. And I say that with the best interest at heart because for a long time, if you don't know my background, I was bullied ever since moving to this small town in England with a family. I was an ethnic minority. I was bullied for about 4 years of my life, being told every single day I was ugly, that I should go and just not come back to school and so forth, all of the things in between. And you know what was interesting is although I was being bullied by these bullies who were saying all of these harsh things to me, deep inside, I was actually the worst bully. I couldn't even accept myself. I was bullying myself every single day. I let myself down. And that's why everybody else was reflecting how I was treating myself. You got to realize you are constantly letting other people know how to treat you by the way you're treating yourself right now. So if you want things to change, you got to change the way you're viewing yourself, the way you carry yourself, what you're like, most importantly, off the camera, what you're like when you're on your own, when nobody's watching. How do you treat yourself then? Because you cannot hide that from the world. People intuitively will feel it, how you constantly act when you are behind the scenes. So if you want to be taken seriously, begin today taking yourself seriously. If you want to gain respect from others, begin to respect yourself. If you want people to stop bullying you, stop bullying yourself. If you want people to stop talking at you and saying bad stuff, you best stop saying bad stuff to you. You're constantly teaching others how to treat you. And that's why, if you want things to change, make a commitment today. This is the root cause issue that I never confronted in my life. But I tell you, when I actually began to really treat my life seriously, live with integrity, what does that mean? It means to make the things you say law. It means to not fall back on the habits you're promising yourself because your subconscious mind knows who you really are. Every time you promise yourself you're going to go wake up early and go to the gym, every time you break that promise, your mind, subconscious mind sees that and it begins to believe that you're not somebody who lives by integrity. It believes that you're not somebody who can be taken seriously because you're not committed enough. So begin to really just analyze how you're treating your life. Analyze how you are every single day and begin to make the commitments a commitment. Everything that you say that you're going to do, you got to do it, even when nobody's watching. And I can guarantee one day when you become that disciplined and that serious in terms of how you're treating your life, others will begin to treat you seriously. I hope you found today's video helpful, Insider. Let me know in the chat box below, what's your biggest takeaway? What are you going to do differently today? Because I know this message is going to resonate to some of you. Because I know some of you watching right now, you're introverts or maybe you're quite shy, kind of like how I used to be. If that's you, by the way, let me know in the chat box below. Welcome home, right? But seriously, this is where I just totally sucked because I was my biggest bully. And I really wish today that you just own yourself, commit all the way. Like this video if you like this video, and as always inside the folly heart, and take action.